going on to question number 5. So we're going back to implicit differentiation, and this time explicitly asking us to implicitly differentiate. So like I said before, we can explicitly differentiate this function. So let's say, for example, y squared equals 2 plus xy, right? We can explicitly differentiate this, but it's going to look pretty hard, right? We have to move this one over here. We have to isolate for y somehow, and then we're going to need to differentiate. So instead, we're just going to implicitly differentiate, okay? So we're going to take d over dx of y squared, and we're going to take the d over dx of 2 plus xy. Okay, so if we're differentiating this, right, the chain rule again applies, where I'm going to use y prime from now on, where we take the outside function, which is, I guess, this function squared, so 2y, and the inside function, which is just y prime. Okay, so that's chain rule. This one is, so the derivative of a constant is 0 plus xy, so now I have to use a product rule, okay? So the product rule suggests that we take the derivative of x, which is 1. So this. So it's x prime, which is 1, times y, and plus y prime times x. Okay. So now we're just left with 2y prime equals y plus y prime x. Okay, so we're going to isolate for y prime, which equals y. We're going to isolate, factor out y prime to have 2y minus x, y, and y prime equals y over 2y minus x. So you can see here that our derivative is a function of the original function and the independent variable itself. And that's different from explicit differentiation, because when you find a derivative, that it is a function of only the dependent or the independent variable. Why is this 2x? Y minus x. Oh, okay. So the junior tutor was pretty close to solving this problem, but in this one step here, they switched x and y for some reason, I believe. So this solution is almost correct. The last step, you accidentally switched. You accidentally put 2x instead of 2y. Yeah, so you can see here that they had here 2y minus x, but when they divided this left side and the right side, they put 2x minus y. So yeah, cool.